Welcome everyone back to another tutorial. Today we'll be going over more forms in HTML that can be used to make your web page much more user-oriented. First we have checkboxes. So we will write input type equals checkbox and we'll have an ID on it. Then we have a label for equals that ID and repeat for another checkbox. So here my first checkbox can be blue and second checkbox label will have red. Running it, you can see how it appears. Pressing the text will also check the box as it is part of the label. We also have radio buttons, which is where only one of them can be checked at a time. So here I have input type equals radio and a new parameter called name. The name parameter must be the same for all related radio buttons. So here I could put name as title. Then I have the ID for the radio button, and then we put a label for equals the ID and write the test for it. So here I can write title 1. Then I'll have a second radio button. Input type equals radio, name equals title, as it will have to be the same, and ID equals a different ID. Now we'll also put a label for equals that ID and have the text be title 2. When I run the program, you can see what happens when I click one radio button and then the other. Third, we have a drop-down menu, which is contained within select opening and closing tags. Inside we have the options using option tags. So option, then the name of the option, and then / option. I can repeat this for 2 more options, and when I run my page, it looks like this when the drop down is clicked. Last one is the button, which we have learned before, but we can also use the inputs tags to create buttons. So we have input type equals button, and then the parameter value equals the name of the button. So I'll add 3 elements within a form section. So I'll add a text input before the button with input type equals text, and then a button with a value of send, and then a new button with input type equals reset and value equals reset. This button will reset anything written in the text box back to blank. When I run it, if I write something, I can click the reset option and the text box clears out. Checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down menus, and buttons are extremely common in web pages and adds a lot of functionality to your page, so make sure to know it well. That's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep learning even if it's a few minutes a day.